Hey guys, Aaron here from Simply New England Off-Road. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to dive into a topic that gets a lot of attention in the UTV and ATV world, and that topic is clutch kits. So the question is, do you really need one, or is it just hype? So let me jump right into this. There's a lot of different schools of thoughts on this. You've got some riders that swear clutch kits are the best upgrade you can buy. And then you've got others that say it is money wasted. Well, for me, I do not run one. My machine has been fine for the trails and the terrain that I ride here in New England. But I have seen what they can do for other riders, and I have also seen when it is overhyped. So what I'm going to do now is break it down for you a little bit. What it is, in plain English. Your stock clutch is built as a one-size-fits-all setup when it rolls out of the door. It's going to work in every condition, but it is not tuned for any one style of riding. A clutch kit changes the springs and weights so your machine reacts differently. You get quicker engagement, stronger low-end power, and of course you're going to get a snappier throttle. Basically, it changes how the machine feels when you are on it. Part 2. Why some people love it. Well, I have friends who live in the mud, and for them a clutch kit is the night and day difference that they constantly talk about. The machine's going to grab faster. It's going to power through the tough stuff. They're not blowing belts every other ride. And then the same goes for the sand riders or people hauling heavy loads. The clutch kit will help put the power where you need it. And if you are running oversized tires, it can make the machine feel like it did before the upgrade. So let me go into part 3 of this. Why have I not bothered? Well, for me, most of my riding is on the trails. It's rocky climbs, back roads, and so far the stock has held up fine. Now, a clutch kit absolutely will make the machine feel a little bit snappier. Some setups, they also cut a couple miles per hour off the top speed, so let's not forget about that. Now, for a lot of you who are not going balls to the wall, that may not be a big deal, but it is another reason I have left mine stock. Part 4, who needs one and who does not? If you ride in the mud, on the dunes, you spend time hauling gear, you're probably gonna get your money's worth. Now, if you are mostly trail cruising, back road riding like I am, or just hanging out with your buddies, then honestly, the stock is fine. Save the money for something else. Save it for more gas. Get some new tires. Maybe put a cooler in the back. Get some accessories. We all know there's more accessories than we can even put on these machines at the end of the day. Okay, so part 5. Let's talk about some real world examples, all right? I have a buddy. He was going through belts nonstop. Always in the mud. He ended up putting a clutch kit on his, and I'm telling you, every time we go riding, he constantly swears it saved him money in the long run. So on the other side, I know a lot of weekend trail riders who bought one and could barely tell the difference. I think what I'm getting at here is it really all comes down to how you ride. Clutch kits are great for the right rider, but not everybody needs one, and my machine is proof of that. So let me conclude here and ask you guys a couple questions. Do you run a clutch kit? Did it totally change your machine, or was it overhyped? Go ahead and drop your experience in the comments, because real world feedback is what helps everyone make a decision. And if this did give you something to think about, hit that like button, subscribe, and I will see you on the trails.